Hey, what's up everybody? You're watching Rookie to Pro FRS and I'm your driver, Lovins Presume. Now the FRS is still under construction. I got some big news coming up real soon, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I'm getting my daily together. Did a little mod that I wanted to do for it, so it's a little something simple just to show you guys what I'm up to, so stick around for that. I had an older one in my daily for the longest time, and I think it was time for an upgrade so that I could have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that stuff. So I already removed the old radio from the old Accord, the 04 Accord, and pretty much is replacing it with this one, the one that has Apple CarPlay and everything. So hopefully it's a smooth transition. We'll see. I didn't let them install my entire radio, but I brought my wires there so they could get it properly done. Hopefully they do it right so I can install the radio by myself, because I'm not paying those labor fees. It's crazy, but I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully this works. Everything seems like it's put together. All I gotta do is plug it in and install it, and then I'll remove this pocket just like my old Accord and put the radio in. Good news, guys, everything works the way it should. The wires were done right. Last time I had an issue where my display didn't work, and that made it hard to, put my climate control and everything, but I made sure that was good this time around. This is working perfectly. I still have to install something to make the Apple CarPlay screen and everything work, but I love how it is. I love the setup. It's simple to me, and now I got the microphone finally installed in the car. But I still gotta get everything tucked away so it could look seamless before I fully close it, but I'm really happy with this, so yeah.